Kaso lang, yung ano nga, yung button na parang magiging distraction pa kapag nagka-cast ka.
Tatank type na naman sila mga sa. Grabe nga sila dun eh. Mid tank baron wala na akong magawa tol. Di na ako nag-Kha'Zix eh.
Ah, abot pa naman siguro ko. Hindi pa naman ako mape-penalize. Hindi pa naman ako mape-penalize. Not good to use. Yeah, I'm showing it to you right now. For me, it's fine. Kung kasi I tong kalabang ko, ba't ganyan yung ano? Condemn tuloy ako. Wala, yung Diana, we need help please. We're good. Meron na tayo. Teka lang, ito muna, tas Eclipse. Para okay, sige. Ayan. I think we're good na. Manage nung ginawa kong server. Pasensya na guys. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-manage ng ano. Since I do this solo, I don't have any mods. I can't.
Kalungkutan, tumahimik na ang lahat. Depresyon ang inabot.
Yes. Popularity alone, Arcane beats every animated series and or movie ever made this year. Bang, bang. Ah! Na-smite pa! Yeah, the key to playing Teemo Jungle is just you have to just keep moving. His business, a clockwork shop from Piltover to Zone. Ayan. So he was an artificer in Piltover that fled to Zone as well. So things. Yeah, I've heard pretty good things about the season 2 pilot, bro. Yeah, it don't spoil it for everyone, okay? And
Ano? Kupal daw. Kupal, oh, kupal nga.
Kupal ka.
Kindred.
Parehas ang iniisip.
Guys, Kindred.
Nasa si Kindred.
Wala, ayaw na. I'm sorry, I'm gonna die. I can't afford to die. Ayun na si Jax. Diyos ko. Nakita ko na nga si Jax. Spin to win. Victor is God mode. Victor's in God mode right now. Oy, 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 bossing. Bossing, hello. Patay ka. Will be the one. Ayan. I'm gonna try not to die here, bro. I'm gonna try not to die here. Kasi ayoko. Magkaka-ultimate na ako. Ah.
Ano?
Wala nang ulti yung Ambessa.
Oh. Na.
Sabay yung game loads para sa low-end devices. Yes, optimized na. Matagal nang optimized. That's our LPL. Diba? That's our LCK. Diba? LPC. Yung tawag doon. LPC. For LOL Asia Pacific. So, sige. Tumubo ka. Putya. Sakit. Or AI mirror pala. AI mirror up. Tapos i-free trial mo para ma-access mo yung arcane filter. The arcane filter is really accurate, by the way. I'm just a bursty boy. Okay, ipapush ko na lang yung top lane. Andun sila lahat sa ano. Sayang. Sayang, sorry. Sige, heal na ako. Hello, Dos. Welcome to the stream, Dos. Para ako may galit lagi, ah. Stunned! Nice, okay. Ignite. Oh shit, where were we left off? Okay. We already saw that moment. And what a beautiful moment it was. And it just grew into the
Thank you.
bang.
Wait easy.
Ah, tumama.
Taba. Sige, baril naman ang Aizen. Kahit ang. Sige, outrange mo yung severe.
Dito sa Bridgetown sa Pasig on December 15. So if you guys want to be part of that concert, and I'll just show you the kasi nagpiping spike ako dito sa Streamlabs ko kasi iniba ko yung ayan. So for yung ultimate natin. Not gonna lie, mas gusto ko pa rin yung old design ni Victor. A lot of players prefer the old design of Victor because the old Victor is actually badass. Gusto yung pinto. Nice. We're good. Uy! Kuya Navi, hello. Saan pwede download yan? This is, from Steam. Tsaka sa,
Sige, debated na yan. Atras na lang.
Op.
Copy ka nga, sir. Uy, sayang.
Parkour. We're good. Vi. Uy, Vi. Hello, Vi. How's Cupcake?
Pakita mo ng galawang mahukay.
Oo, mahukay ito.
Yakapin mo yan.
Mamain mo.
Yayakapin ko talaga yan.
Yakapin mo lang.
Hindi ako gagamit ng skills sa iba. Kay Karma lang.
Sila. Digit-digit na po sila, mga kaibigan. Asan si Pantheon? Double kill. Oh! Na double kill pa. Nice, oh. Hello. Hello? Hello. Trip sila, di ba? Kinis. Ayan, so showdown mode is live, boys. Showdown mode is live. Ayan, sasali na kayo. Help me. Ah, Asan yung iba? Ang layo naman nila. Ang layo. Oh my god, sayang. Ang bagal nila mag ano. Okay, I'll just clear this wave tapos kunin ko na yung ano. Sorry, may prayo ko dito eh oh. Pwede na sila, pwede na nagdi-DR na sila. Ay, Baron ba yan? Baron niya.
Is dito.
Protektahan mo kami.
Alay lang kami dito.
Sige. Boss Reps, huwag natin paglaruin ng LOL to si Karma, ha?
Putik.
Di makakapag-LOL to.
Finger, may puso. Real quickly. Yan. Sa wakas, naayos din ang chat natin sa TikTok. Nakikita ko na kayo lahat. Ayan. You can see, 2XKO Jinx just got announced. Ayan, yung wallpaper na. Tapos siya na yung gagawa nung ano, siya na yung gagawa nung shimmer. Magkikita sila ni Victor, ganun. Diba? Parang si Vander po at si Warwick ay isa lang. Yes, of course. So, I think it tawag dito, it makes sense naman. Wait lang, on the PBE server for China. Wala pa siya doon sa PBE, wala pa siya doon sa global servers natin. Okay? December 12 pa. Oh my glorious king. And anong skin available sa kanya? Wala pa sa ngayon, but I think okay. Okay, jungle. Sige. Let's use the number 1. The number 1 draft pick. For team... Ayan, sige, mag-locks ka, please. Oh, she's being protected by one of those Riven runes. Sniper up top. Yeah, minsan kasi nangyayari to eh. Alo, may AFK warning ako nito. Pero sige, ibabawi natin yan. Warwick naman tayo eh. I'm dead. It's fine. Revive me please. After Arcane, right? Arcane Season 1 and Season 2, i-consider na natin yung Season 2. This is set years after Arcane Season 1 and Season 2 kasi Echo already has a Z drive. Hindi, ano kasi tag dito. Uso kasi sa region natin yung smurfing and naabuso kasi. Smurfs are actually ruining. Uy, mapupush nila early yung ano. Oh, please, wag ka man trip. Ang pangit ng trip mo. Oy, nice flash in. Kaso lang, enjoyin nyo na to. Game 2 will go to us as well. Magkakasunod live nyo, guys. Yeah. Sabay-sabay kami. Si Karma. Isolated tong blitz okay. So there are wait, there's gonna be different colored card backs. So we have the black card backs, we have the blue ones. I'm guessing for the champions and the spells. Team boss wala pa actually. Pero malapit na. Malapit na kasi gusto ko na maglaro ng Marvel Rivals talaga. Uy, may patch. Yan. Gusto ko kasi maglaro talaga ng Marvel Rivals. So Coach Rek from Degrees, from Creoles, and from Giyang's stream. Okay? Pag nakabuo na tayo ng 5, G na yun, best of 3. Kapag nanalo kayo, may 18,000 i-cast. Pwede naman. Ayan. Kaso lang, ayan, pwede mong naman. Pero, you know, if I don't get invited, it's fine. Diba? It's the other content creators' chance to rolling. We drifting. Boom. Oh. Patayin mo yan, Riben. Ayan, so Golden Echo, you get.
I'm sure I've got something you'll like.
Pero syempre, okay, you know what? We're gonna try and fight with melee champion this time. But is on.
Halika dito.
Pala siya sa akin, no?
Sige, kami ako dyan.
Baliktad yung horror game.
Sige. Wala. Hindi makapag-
Sige, palapitin nyo. Ayun, oh.
Ay! Ay, maliit yung talon, maliit yung talon. First Banheimer, Hayu pa. With the U.
With a U.
With the U. Heimer Dinger, Urgot.
Pabango send ko sa'yo.
Huwag niyong baban yung galya.
Yeah, we're gonna get that win. Just wait. Three, 7. Wala.
Enemy slain.
And we're gonna get that ice trick. On the top side, see Evelyn, so we can get the ice trick. May I ask, what did Master Yi do? He's cancer, bro. He's cancer. Pick, or I'll pick more. 3, 2. Oy! Oy, nanalo si ano? Nanalo si sino ba to? Si Erlind. Nanalo si Erlind. Okay, congratulations Erlind. Ikaw na ang ia-add. So, let's just be careful here. Oh, tiyan naman, ano yun? Okay. Hindi, ano kasi, tag dito. Uso kasi sa region natin yung smurfing and naabuso kasi. Smurfs are actually ruining December 12. Ayan, then another permaban na naman sa rank games. Pwede naman, hindi, madali lang counterin si Victor. Di ba, madali lang counterin si Victor. Oh, ba't nag-ulti? Ah! Oh, na wind wall yung CC ko. Ay, yung CC yung ulti ko. Dito, may Caitlyn dito. My fellow Wild Rift content creators. Ayan, I'm with Coach Rick. I'm with Boss Rebs. I'm with Janera. I'm with Tito Spicy. We're playing against Karma. Crazy. Sayang. Hindi siya na ano, hindi siya na-stun. Sayang. Okay, sige. Tulungan na natin tong ano na to. Kasi wala naman silang pakialam sa ano eh. Wala naman silang pakialam sa Okay, that explains the... Okay. Natin na in-invade ng Noxus is Ionia. So baka lang naman. Baka makita na natin yung cinematic moment. Diba? Kasi kaya... Dawes, hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Meow meow! Ayan, hello! Uncle Meow Meow. Nakikita na kita sa wakas. Yeah, let's go time winder real quick. Please don't die. Lumabang pa kasi pumasok pa eh, oh. Pa ako sa Winter Blast ni Diana. Yeah. Skin ba siya? No. This is the base version of the game. So na. Ayan. Kailan po out ni Victor sa CN server? December 12 din. Yes, December 12 din. So, kapag out na si Victor sa... Oh, shit. Oh. Fuck yun.
Ano yun? Ina-item yung puto. Blood thirst pala yun ah. Kasi rin na lang si Diablo.
Anong screen share gamit mo? Yung sa Mira share lang, sa screen capture sa ng Windows. Yun lang yung gamit ko. Hindi na ako nag-install ng ibang app. Ayan, share na tayo. Dar. Good. We're good. I think we can start Baron 14:30, oh. Pwede nating he's staying alive. But he might need my help. Oh, set flashed in.
Ang gulo ng mga viewers ko eh.
Void.
Zeri ako.
Yeah, pwede yan. Zeri.
Nice.
Ilang
Of the events. Ayan. So, yung events na yan, puro lang dragon shards, puro coins. There are chests to be given. Ayan. Sorry, TikTok. Okay, tayo.
Pia, kamusta?
Hi, okay lang.
Ayan.
Okay.
So, Pia,
Okay lang.
okay lang. Ayan, Piachu.
Ako po.
Okay, diyan ka lang. Dikit ka lang sa pader. Huwag ka lalayo sa pader ha.
Yasuo sabot Walang ulti ang Yasuo dyan. Si Thresh, ewan ko lang.
Op.
Hindi pa nagpaano yan. Ito, Yasuo! Andyan na.
40 seconds ha. Oop. Oh, good save. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Uy, wala silang pakialam sa objective, so big deal tong Guerrilla turret, oh. Wait lang. O di kaya pwede ako mag-try kasi andun yung Graves, oh. Pwede ako mag-try mag-Elder. Kaso andito na sila eh.
Kala ko
May
best of
pa-premium ba
three
to? Wala nang pa-premium to.
Puta, Kinoy.
Tapos na yung event kaya sa na to.
Wala lang. Pampalubag-loob na lang.
Laro-laro na lang.
He's going to be unstoppable. He's already unstoppable now. Mahirap siyang katapat. That's why on high rank, especially on our server, lagi siyang ban. Since dito. Good zoning, please. I need this. Twitch, please. I need a damage. Is the final season for Arcane. There will be no more Arcane. Tapos na yung storyline ng Arcane. But there will be more League shows. Hopefully they transition to either Demacia or
Pati na-stop pa nga yung team niya.
Oo nga. Sa akin lang galing lahat yun, tapos may Boss Revs pa tayo. Isipin nyo, lahi ni Boss Revs lahat yun, tapos ako yung nagpala.
You guys are familiar with Marvel Snap, and I'm sure some of you are. These Battlefield cards give Ayan, share na tayo. Dar. Para sa show. Manggugulo lang ako dun. 2-0 kami. Grabe. Ayaw kami paalisin ng base, ayaw kami pagbigyan sa objective, ayaw kami pinuha lang yung ban, no? Paano nasa eh. Ayan. Kinuha, ito. Sobrang lakas niya.
I will pick it
He's
on.
very good at making Javolo.
Javol.
I teach him how to ADC.
Oh my god, that Javolo
Mm,
is a student of yours.
yes.
Sakit nung ano. Oh, Tryndamere, blind. Wala siya magagawa. He's burning. Hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, pasok tayo dito. Oh, tikpaan pa ako ng insekto na yan. Okay, kailangan ko na mangidap ng tao dito. I just want to play a normal game. I can't even play rank kasi nakaban ako ng isang oras sa matchmaking. Kasi wala naman talaga naglalaro ng competitive sa PBE. Diba? Okay, so we have Christian, we have Berger. Aalamin ko na lang yung pangalan mo sa totoong buhay. And then we have Freedom, we have sa post natin sa Facebook. Just find the post on Facebook. Spoils of War, the Ambessa Medarda 1v1 challenge. Tapos I want to play Wolverine.
Promoting the game, regular events for friends to get together, and competitions
So
to
who's
show
best?
who's the best.
Not just the game or the store, but a whole competitive ecosystem.
That's right.